Your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your life. And I know that sounds dramatic, but I mean it. Here's the thing. Most people think building credit is complicated. It's not. You don't need a long credit history. You don't need to already have good credit. You just need to know what you're doing and stay consistent. That's it. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly how to build or rebuild your credit using the Super.com card. How it works, how to use it, what to avoid, and what to realistically expect along the way. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. If you've ever tried to get a credit card and got denied, here's why that may have happened. Most traditional credit cards require you to already have a credit history, which creates this really frustrating catch-22. You need credit to get credit, but if you've never had credit, how do you get started? And if your credit has taken hits in the past, getting approved can feel almost impossible. That's where a secured credit card comes in. And if you've never heard of one, don't worry, a lot of people haven't. When it comes to credit cards, there's really three types worth knowing about: traditional credit cards, traditional secured credit cards, and the Super.com card. Here's how a traditional credit card works. Bank lends you money for purchases and you pay them back later. The trap is borrowing more money than you can pay back right away. This is how people dig themselves into a hole of credit card debt. Banks charge very high interest on credit card debt, and the interest compounds quietly in the background. And before you know it, you owe more than you originally spent. A traditional secured credit card requires you to hand over a security deposit up front, money that gets locked away in an account. Whatever you put in becomes the credit limit. So if you deposit $500, that $500 is your limit. That's all you can spend. The Super.com card takes a different approach. Instead of locking away a large deposit up front, you deposit as much or as little as you want. Each time you make a purchase, the money is set aside in real time to make sure your balance is covered at the end of the month. No interest charges, no bill you weren't expecting, and because it reports to all three major credit bureaus every single month, your credit score is growing the whole time. So who's the Super.com card actually for? Honestly, it's for anyone who's felt that the credit system wasn't built for them. If you've been turned down for a card before, if you're starting out with no credit history at all, or if you've made some financial decisions in the past that you're still recovering from, the barriers that usually keep people out just aren't there. Getting started is super straightforward. You download the Super.com app, sign up for a Super Plus membership, and apply for the card. The membership is $15 a month, and for what you're getting, it's worth it. You get 1% cash back on every purchase, 10% cash back when you book a hotel through Super.com, up to 50% off of hotel rates, discounts on flights, 15% off tours and attractions, and up to 30 cents off per gallon on gas. Most people cover the cost of the membership just from the savings alone. It's basically like a Costco membership for your financial life. Once you're approved, you link your bank account and you're ready to go. The first thing you want to do is go into the app and turn on credit reporting. That's what connects your card activity to your credit score. One button, do not skip it. After that, just use your card on everyday purchases. Groceries, gas, your Netflix subscription, whatever you're already spending money on. Then Super.com reports that activity to bureaus automatically every month. And because you're only spending what you already have, there's no risk of missing a payment or getting charged interest. It's just working in the background of your life. Here's something worth knowing about how this card handles your credit limit. Most secured cards report whatever you deposit as your limit. So if you deposit $300, that's what the bureau sees. And if you spend $150 of that, you're already at 50% utilization. The Super.com card reports a $5,000 credit limit to the bureaus. So even if you're only spending $200 a month, your utilization stays really low. And low utilization is one of the fastest ways to move your credit score. Now let's talk about a few things that can slow your progress or stop it altogether. The first mistake is expecting results too fast and giving up. People get a card, use it for a few weeks, check their score, see nothing has changed, and assume it's not working. That's not how credit building works. This is a long game, and we'll get into exactly what to expect in a second. The second mistake is letting the card sit around completely unused. Super.com reports positive activity every month as long as the reporting is on, but consistent spending keeps your account active and shows the bureaus a real pattern of responsible use. You don't need to go out of your way, just use it. Most people start seeing movement in their score as early as the 3 to 6 month mark. That's when bureaus start to see a pattern. A full year of consistent use is where it really starts to compound. And if you're rebuilding after some past mistakes, just know that positive history starts to outweigh the negative stuff over time. It doesn't happen overnight, but every month you show up is a month working in your favor. I know that waiting is the hard part, but that's also exactly what separates people who actually build credit from people who give up. Credit building isn't complicated. It's just about consistency. Use the card every month. The Super.com card does the work. You just have to keep going. Most people never figure this stuff out. You just did. And look, I know it can feel like credit is this big intimidating thing that's always just out of reach. But you've seen today that it really isn't. You have the tool, you have the knowledge, and you have a plan. Download the Super.com app, get the card, and start building. I'm rooting for you. Let's go.